Dear viewers, welcome to our channel Tamil Padikalam. Learn to read and write Tamil. Kindly subscribe to our channel and click the bell button so as to receive notifications on further uploads. Also, like and share our videos for support. The consonants we have learned so far are it, ip, im, il, ei, ir, ind and ing. The links to learn these consonants are given in the description below. The next consonant we are going to learn is ich. Now let us practice writing ich. Let us start with Tunaikal. On the tip of the second vertical line, we move on backwards and then horizontally. Put a dot. This gives us ich. The next consonant in our list is ik. Now let us practice writing ik. Let us first draw sa. At the tip is bent to touch the second vertical line. This gives us ik. The next consonant in our list is it. Now let us practice writing it. Let us start with sa. The tip is bent downwards, goes vertically downwards, then horizontally, then slightly bent. Put a dot. This is it. The next consonant in our list is ir. We have already learnt ir. The difference between ir and ir is that in the first case, the tip of the tongue touches the base of the upper teeth, and in the second case, it touches the middle of the palate. Now look at the figure given below. The tip of the tongue touches the base of the upper teeth. It produces a sound ir. Then tip of the tongue touches the middle of the upper palate. It produces a sound ir. Ir and ir. Now let us practice writing ir. We can draw 3 upside down and then at the tip of the third line move horizontally with a small bend at the end. Put a dot. This is ir. The next consonant in our list is il. This alphabet we have already seen when we learnt u and au. The reason as to why la is used in this way is because scholars who reformed the Tamil alphabets decided so. No other particular reason is known. If anyone of you know the reason for using this la here, please drop in a message. We have already learned the alphabet il, special to Tamil, which is produced by bending the tongue inward, touching the hard palate. This il is produced by the tongue touching the middle of the palate. Now look at the figure given below. The middle of the palate is touched by the tip of the tongue. It produces a sound il. In the second case, the tongue touches the hard palate. It is bent fully inward and touches the hard palate. It produces a sound l. This is the difference between il and il. Now let us practice writing il. We start with a small circle. It is as if we are having a otrai. Then move horizontally and then vertically. Put a dot. That gives us il. Now we can identify these consonants, read and write them also. Let us see them again. Ir becomes ich. Then ik. Then it. Then ir. And then il. Now let us see the உயிர்மை எழுத்துக்கள் for these consonants. For each we have cha cha, chi chi, chu chu, che che, chai, cho cho, chow. For ik we have ka ka, ki ki, ku ku, ke ke, kai, ko ko, kau. For it we have ta ta, ti ti, tu tu, te te, tai, to to, tau. For ir we have ra ra, ri ri, ru ru, re re, rai, ro ro, rau. For il we have la la, li li, lu lu, le le, lai, lo lo, love. The உயிர்மை எழுத்துக்கள் produced by all other vowels can be written using the templates we have already seen. For u and u, the templates differ. Let us see them one by one. First write sa. At the tip, a small vertical line. This is su. For su, we draw su first, then at the tip we have a curve bending backwards. This is chu. For ku, we write ka. Instead of touching the line, it moves backwards and goes upwards. This is ku. Ku is slightly different. First write ka and a small circular loop and then a horizontal line. This is ku. For tu, we write ta, then we loop here, move horizontally forward and then a vertical line. This is tu. For tu, we write tu first, then a tunaikal. This is tu. For ru, first we write ra, then slightly bend, move forward horizontally and then a vertical line. This is ru. To write ru, we first write ru and then a tunaikal at the end. For lu, first we write la. From the middle of the third vertical line, we have a circular arc moving backward and upwards. For lu, we write lu with a circular ending at the tip. This is lu. Now we have seen the 5 consonants and the உயிர்மை எழுத்துக்கள் generated by these 5 consonants and the vowels. The remaining 5 consonants will be seen in our next video. Concept conceived and presented by Professor A. Muttarasu. Design and editing by my daughter Nandini Arasi. Thank you. Nandri.